Okay, so now that we've got our pseudocode, we need to turn it into Python. So if it's empty, if our input list is empty, return an empty list. We also have got to do some stuff like create an output list, which is empty, and then we need to return that output at the end. So we've got that kind of basic structure there. Now, if it's empty, return the empty list. So if let's see, the length of the input list is 0, oops, we'll return 0, or sorry, we'll return output, and then if there's only one element in the list, then we will return, so if length of input list, length of input list is 1. We'll return a list with input list inside. So it's a list of lists that we have to return. Okay, so now, let's see, return a list with that element in its own list. Great. Alright, so now we need to loop over the list. So for I in the length of the range, or no, the range of the length of the input list. Cool. What we do is we grab the element. So element is the input list at I, and then the rest of the list we need to get. So rest of numbers. The rest of list is, let's see, input list from 0 to I plus I plus 1 to the end. So that way we kind of go up to wherever the thing is. Like say it's 2, we'll go up to this, and then we'll go here. And then if it's 3, we'll go up to this, and then this. So that's the rest of the list. Okay, now let's see, what's this say? Valid syntax. I think it's valid syntax. 0 to I, maybe we have to put something there. Anyway, okay, so I've got that, and then what I want to do is put it at the beginning of the permutation. So I want to for p in get permutations on the rest of the list, what you want to do is say output dot append this list with the element in it, so that's this, plus p, so whatever the permutations are. And that should get us our output. And if we run that, it will continue. Let's see. Oh, input list. That's what I need. There we go. Okay, I'll move my face over here now. And you can see that I've gotten all the permutations here. So that's how that works. Let's go over it in the next video in Python Tutor so you can kind of see how that changes, and we'll discuss what about it really makes it a backtracking algorithm.